Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials and taking the first actionable steps now. Open the Excel app, sign in, and make sure OneDrive is linked so autosave works. This prevents lost changes. Once done, create a new workbook or open an existing file and tap any cell to enter values. Use the bottom keyboard and the formula bar to speed entry. Make sure to name the file immediately and select a folder so you can find it later. Now continue by structuring and formatting your sheet for clarity and calculation. Use Insert to add rows, columns, tables, or charts so data stays organized. Tap a cell, then format to apply number, currency, percent, or date formats to avoid interpretation errors. Enter formulas with the formula bar and drag the fill handle to extend patterns. This accelerates repetitive work. If you rely on certain sheets, pin or rename tabs for fast. Finish by validating and saving your workbook so the result is reliable and shareable. Review key formulas for errors, enable autosave to OneDrive, and export as XLSX or PDF when sharing outside Excel. Use the Share button to invite collaborators or copy a link. Set edit or view permissions before sending. If something goes wrong, like sync or missing changes, force close the app, reconnect to a stable network, and reopen to trigger resync. Check version history if needed for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.